Go down! Go down! Go down! Go down!
Walang maingay, please po. Sabihan niyo sila na nandito sila. Sabihan niyo sila nandito sila. Sabihan niyo sila nandito sila.
Guys, kalma lang guys. Guys.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Tama nga tayo! Tama ako! Guys, andun na sila. Pinabababa na lang kami. So if ever na may mga fan na nanonood ngayon, right now, as in right now, lumabas sila. Ngayon na. Kasi andito na yung United, oh. Ayan na. Uy, pababain nyo na yung mga nandun, please. Wag naman na ano.
Oh my God!
Wait, chat nyo yung nasa GC. Chat nyo yung nasa GC. Kanta. All day. Oh, oh. Do it away. Oh, oh. Oh, dito na lang, please. Dito na lang, guys. Dito. Sabihin nyo sila. Girl, sabihan nyo sila. Sabihin nyo, andito. Sorry, nagpa-prank. Dito na lang, girl. Pwede na. Yun, please, dito na lang. Please, dito na lang. No, please. Nag-bring off na.
Be, parang Harvey. Kumalma tayo ng Harvey. Kalmado tayo kay Harvey. Guys,
Walang mapi-freak out.
Oh,
Philippines.
Hi, United Philippines! I know
Yeah.
you're a fan ko!
Yeah!
See you guys! Mwah! Kamusta? I'm so happy to be here!
Oh my God, I'm so happy to see you again.
Mahal kita!
Mahal kita. Giovanni! Oh, it's now United Philippines.
You're on the page?
Yeah.
Oh my God!
One. I mean, right now it's just because the admin is not here right now. So yeah.
Nice to meet you! Hi! Hi guys! Hi! Oh my God!
Kuya, pwede pairam ng phone, please? Wala akong phone. Oh my God, I can't use my phone right now because I'm doing live stream for you guys.
It's not working.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my God, I'm going to end this right now, guys. But